What's going on, guys? Ice Timer back again with another booster box set, this time of Secret Slayers. And we got three brand new archetypes in here. Got Adamancipators, Rikas, and Eldlich. Let's just get straight into this. And this is yeah, foil in every pack and one secret as well. Right here. All right. Double D borderline. Adamancipator Risen Raptite. Nice. Tribune Princess of Autumn Leaves. Lone Fire Blossom. El Dorado. Adelantado. I believe that's how you pronounce it, and I'm Spanish, and I probably butchered that. Let's just pull the secrets over on this side. Solemn Judgment. That's a super rare. Erica, the Rika Fairy. And Adamancipator Seeker. I was kind of like the artwork on this one, but I know he's not the most sought after. I believe that one goes to Researcher. What's her name? Pyramid of Wonders. Kanzashi, the Rika Queen. Poloniosis, Rose Lover. Mudan, the Rika Fairy. That's three archetypes right there. I believe Eldlich is like a trap-based deck, like trap monsters. I believe Adamancipators and Eldlich are like part of the meta right now. Rika Petal, Kokai Meru Wall, El Dorado. Unizombie. Adamancipator Crystal Leonite. Oh, that looks so pretty. Doki Doki. Rika Sheet. Let's see. Princess of Cherry Blossoms. Marinia, Princess of Sunflowers. Rika Tranquility. Trap Trick. And Guardian of the Golden Land. I believe that's a trap monster. I believe while all this quarantine was going on, a bunch of online tournaments, it was always these two, Adamancipators and Eldlich. Every time. Got Raptite, Snowdrop, the Rika Fairy, Illblood. That's a creepy looking card. And our third, El Dorado. Got a playset now of those. I believe the most valuable card in this set is Eldritch the Golden Lord, along with Adamancipator Researcher, Hellbore, the Rika Fairy, Upstart Goblin. Illblood and Adamancipator Risen Leonite. Oh, I love this one. It goes right here with a Seeker in the back of Crystal Lion back over there. Adamancipator Crystal Raptite. Block Dragon. I believe everyone was when that June ban list, if you would call it a ban list, came out. Everyone was expecting this card to be banned for some reason. Who knows? Maybe once tournaments come back, we'll see what happens. QB right here, Kurama. Another Eldlich trap there. That pack did not want to come off. Erica the Rika Fairy, Adamancipator Crystal Dragite. I believe we got all the crystals now of these monsters. Galaxy Cyclone. Miracle Fertilizer. And Mudan the Rika Fairy. This is our second Crystal Dragite. Rose Lover. Upstart Goblin. And there's the actual dragon. Adamancipator Risen Dragite. A very nice looking dragon right there. In my opinion, beats all these mechanical looking dragons now that I believe should be just considered machines. Rose Lover, Rock Bombardment, Adamancipator Risen Raptite, I believe that's a playset now, and Primula the Rika Fairy. So one half done on the left side. Got Galaxy Cyclone, Talia, Princess of Cherry Blossoms, Adamancipator Crystal Leonite. Yeah, that's a tongue twister trying to say that. A second, Primula Rika Fairy. Miracle Fertilizer. Don't know if that's a miracle. Adamancipator Lapitite. Rock Bombardment. Upstart Goblin. And our second Dragite. One more, we get a playset. Marinia, Princess of Sunflowers. Rika Petal. Oh, that kind of reminds me of Ori from Ori and the Blind Forest or Will of the Wisps. Block Dragon. Rika Sheet. Kanzashi. Trap Trick. Pyramid of Wonders. Guardian of the Golden Land. Crystal Raptite. Solemn Judgment. Believe that makes a playset now. I don't know if we've gone over yet. Leonite. Definitely a playset of those now. Miru Overlord. And Huaquero of the Golden Land. Yeah, it just goes to show all the Eldlich, the traps. I believe only one monster in their archetype, which is the Golden Lord. I think the most valuable card in this set. Adamancipator Resonance. Princess of Sunflowers. Polynosis. Rika Tranquility. And the Adamancipator Analyzer. I believe that makes 2 for 3 now. Next to Seeker and Researcher. All we're missing is Researcher. Getting down to our final packs. Cyclamen, I believe that's how you say her name. Nine-tailed Fox, Kurama. Unizombie, Doki Doki. And whoa, there she is, Adamancipator Researcher. One of the most sought after cards in this set. Oh, very happy we got to pull her. I'm happy we got to pull all the tuners in this set, the Researcher, Analyzer, and Seeker. There's a Crystal Dragite. I believe that makes a playset now. I believe we have a playset of all 3 crystals. And Conquisitor of the Golden Land. Last 4 packs, guys. Double D Borderline. Risen Raptite. Princess of Autumn Leaves. Lone Fire Blossom. And Adamancipator Risen Dragite as a playset now. Kokaimeru, Block Dragon, Illblood, whatever how you pronounce his name. An Eldlich of Scarlet Sanguine. Last 2 packs. We got Pyramid of Wonders. Kanzashi, Rika Queen, Polynosis, Rose Lover, and Rika Flurries. I believe this is the most valuable card in the Rika archetype. Rika Flurries. Correct me if I'm wrong, or I'm gonna just look it up after the recording's done. Very nice pull. Cursed Eldland. Kokaimeru Guardian. Last pack of Destiny. And we got an Adamancipator Seeker. Very nice. I believe and the best 2 cards we might have pulled here was Researcher and Flurries. I believe so. Don't bash on me in the comments if this is wrong on the Rika cards, but amazing set. I believe you get to make a whole Adamancipator deck profile with just the cards in this box set. Very nice. It was fun to finally be able to open packs from this set. I've seen a lot of people open these packs, and very exciting to get into this. So you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more content. Hope you guys are being safe out there. Peace.